a City of Brisbane Radio Society presentation. The IC 9700, radio of choice for many amateur radio operators around the world for its advanced features. And now introducing the IC 9700 push-to-talk extender, sold by the City of Brisbane Radio Society, designed by George VK4AMG. The extender communicates via the IC 9700's CI5 and accessory ports, automatically changing to the selected band. When keyed up, the appropriate RCA jack will close, enabling that band's power amplifier to operate. The ALC circuit for each amp can be wired in parallel back to the supplied RCA jack if required. The push-to-talk extender is powered directly from the IC 9700. When initializing, the extender performs self-checks, then locks onto the appropriate band. You can see the extender's push-to-talk LED lights up when the radio is keyed. Changing the radio from 2 meters to 23 centimeters. Then keying up activates the power amplifier until the key is dropped. Changing from 23 centimeters to 2 meters, then 70 centimeters, you can see that we have now activated that band's power amp. As an added bonus, the PTT Extender also works in satellite mode. For further information, including how to purchase either a complete unit or in kit form, visit the City of Brisbane Radio Society website at brisbaneradiosociety.net or via email vk4wiecbrs@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. This is VK4APV for the City of Brisbane Radio Society.